Hello, am I audible now? Now today write some question on haloalkane and haloarine. Haloalkane and haloarine. Haloalkane and haloarine. First, write the question first. Convert the following. Convert the following. Number 1, propene to 3-chloropropene. Number 2, but 1 into 1 bromobutane. Number 3, toluene to benzyl alcohol. Number 4, chlorobenzene to aniline. Number 5, aniline to chlorobenzene. Number 6, chlorobenzene to phenol. Number 7, chloroform to phosgene. And number 8, ethyne to but1-ine. You have to convert the following. First write the question, all of you. First write the question. Propene to 3-chloropropene, but1-ine to 1 bromobutane, toluene to benzyl alcohol, chlorobenzene to aniline, aniline to chlorobenzene, chlorobenzene to phenol, and chlorobenzene to phosgene, or ethylene to but1-ine. All of you first write the question. Now what will be the answer of propene to 3-chloropropene? Propene to 3-chloropropene. Substitution reaction, not addition reaction, because double bond remain intact. So write the answer of the first one. What is the formula of propene? CH3 CH double bond CH2, add chlorine at 773 Kelvin. When alkene is heated with halogen at high temperature, then instead of addition, allylic substitution reaction take place. Allylic carbon, carbon double bond, next carbon. This hydrogen is replaced by halogen to form CH2Cl, CH double bond CH2, 1, 2, 2, 3 chlorobenzene plus HCl. So you must mention the temperature, 500 degrees centigrade or 773 Kelvin. This is propene to 3-chloropropene. Now but1-ine to 1 bromopropene. What is the formula of but1-ine? CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH2, but1-ine 1 bromopropene. If you add HBr, then Marconi of addition produce 2 bromopropene, but 1 bromopropene. So Kharas effect. তাহলে HBr in presence of peroxide. What will be product? CH3 CH2 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 Br. Kharas effect, anti-Marconi of addition. So Br add here, hydrogen add here. So CH2 Br. 1 bromopropane, 1 bromobutane. So you must remember, anti-Markovnikov addition take place only for HBr, not for HCl or HI. Now next one, toluene 2-benzyl alcohol. What is the formula of toluene? Benzene ring CH3, toluene 2-benzyl alcohol reacts with chlorine at 110 degrees centigrade. When toluene is boiled with chlorine, then the side chain substitution reaction take place to form benzyl chloride, benzene ring CH2Cl. This benzyl chloride reacts with aqueous KOH. Cl is replaced by OH. Nucleophilic substitution reaction to form benzyl alcohol. So this will be the toluene 2-benzyl alcohol. You must remember the condition: chlorine 110 degrees centigrade. If chlorine and FeCl3, then ortho or para-chlorotoluene is formed. But when boiled with chlorine, then instead of ring substitution, the side chain substitution take place to form benzyl chloride. Okay. Now next one, chlorobenzene to aniline. Chlorobenzene, what is the formula of chlorobenzene? Benzene ring upore Cl. Chlorobenzene reacts with ammonia in presence of cuprous oxide catalyst at 250 degrees centigrade. Then Cl is replaced by NH2, aniline plus HCl. You must remember the catalyst, cuprous oxide catalyst. Then chlorobenzene, the Cl is replaced by a nucleophile NH2 to form aniline and HCl. This is chlorobenzene to aniline. Now next, aniline to chlorobenzene, vice versa. Now what is the formula of aniline? Benzene ring NH2, diazo reaction, diazotization, NaNO2 oblique HCl 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. It forms benzene diazonium chloride, benzene ring N2 plus Cl minus. Now Sandmeyer reaction, CuCl oblique HCl, it forms chlorobenzene. So first diazotization, then Sandmeyer reaction, aniline converted to chlorobenzene, aniline to chlorobenzene. Now next one, chlorobenzene to phenol, number 6, Dow process. Chlorobenzene reacts with NaOH. NaOH is fused করছি. You must remember the temperature and pressure, 350 degrees centigrade and 300 atm pressure. It forms sodium phenate, benzene ring ONA, sodium phenate. This on acidification, say dilute HCl, it gives phenol, benzene ring OH, phenol. So chlorobenzene to this process is known as Dow process. Chloroform to phosgene. You know that chloroform is always kept in a dark colored bottle. Why? Because in presence of sunlight, chloroform reacts with oxygen to form a very poisonous gas. This gas is known as phosgene. What is the formula of chloroform? CaCl3 reacts with oxygen in presence of sunlight to form phosgene, COCl2 plus HCl. Phosgene gas, COCl2, phosgene plus HCl. Now next one, ethyne to but1-ine, ethyne to but1-ine. What is the formula of ethyne? CH triple bond CH, ethyne. You know this hydrogen atom is acidic in nature due to sp character. Due to sp character, carbon is more electronegative, so this carbon hydrogen bond become polar, so hydrogen atom acidic. So when reacts with sodium and liquid ammonia, the hydrogen atom is replaced by sodium. Then you reacts with alkyl halide, say C2H5Br. Sodium is replaced by C2H5 plus NaBr. This is the but1 ion. So these are the different conversion. Hello student, any problem for this conversion? Hello? Any problem for this type of conversion? Okay. Now write the next type of question. Next type of question. Arrange the following. Arrange the following as indicated. Arrange the following as indicated. Number 1, CH3Cl, CH2Br2, CH3Br, CHBr3, increasing boiling point. Number 2, RCl, RBr, RI, RF, increasing dipole moment. Increasing dipole moment. Number 3, 1 bromo butane, 2 methyl, 2 bromo propane, 2 bromo butane, and 2,2 dimethyl, 2,3 bromo butane, increasing SN1 reactivity, and number 4, Cl, Br, increasing SN2 mechanism. So arrange them as indicated here. So first write the question. CH3Cl, CH2Br2, CH3Br, or CHBr3. You know boiling point depends upon magnitude of van der Waals force. Now magnitude of van der Waals force depends upon molecular mass. Greater the molecular mass, greater will be magnitude of van der Waals force. So which compound have maximum molecular mass? This. Say this compound we write 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Then what will be the order of increasing boiling point? Minimum boiling point 1, then 2, 3, then 2, then 4. This will be order of increasing boiling point. Because CH3Cl have lowest molecular mass, then CH3Br, that is number 3, then CH2Br2, number 2, then CHBr3, number 3. So 1 less than 3, less than 2, less than 4. That will be the order of increasing boiling point. Okay, so now next, RCl, RBr, Ri, Rf. You know dipole moment is the product of any one of the charge and distance between them. That is mu so E into L. Now charge separation is maximum in Rf because fluorine is most electronegative, or minimum in Ri because iodine is least electronegative. But bond length of Rf is very small, so the order will be some exceptional. Ri is the least dipole moment, then Rbr, then Rf, and then RCl. RCl has higher dipole moment than Rf. This is due to comparatively larger bond length of RCl as compared to Rf. So this is exceptional case, you must remember this. Now third one, 1-bromobutane. This is the primary alkyl halide. 2-methyl 2-bromobutane, tertiary alkyl halide. 2-bromobutane, secondary alkyl halide, and 2,2-dimethyl 3-bromobutane. It is also secondary, but at 2 position 2 methyl group is present. SN1 reactivity is maximum for tertiary and minimum for primary. So what will be the order? What will be order? Say 1-bromobutane 1, 2-methyl 2-bromobutane 2, 2-bromobutane হচ্ছে 3, আর 2,2-dimethyl 3-bromobutane 4. তাহলে SN1 is minimum for 1 primary, then secondary, which is secondary, 3 and 4 both secondary, but 3 have no methyl group. So then 4 and then 2. 2 is the tertiary alkyl halide, 2-methyl 2-bromobutane tertiary alkyl halide, so most reactive towards SN2 mechanism. So 1-bromobutane least reactive towards SN1 mechanism because it is primary alkyl halide. Then 3, because the 2-bromobutane, it is the number 3, it is the secondary alkyl halide. 2,2-dimethyl 3-bromobutane also secondary, but due to presence of 2 methyl group, so it favors the SN1 mechanism. So 1 less than 3 less than 4 less than 2, that will be order. Okay. Now this is primary, this is also primary, this is secondary, this is tertiary. SN2 is minimum for tertiary. Say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Then 4 is minimum reactivity towards SN2 mechanism. Then 3, now both are primary, Cl and Br, but which is better leaving group? Br. So this will be maximum reactivity. So 4 less than 3 less than 1 less than 2. That will be the increasing order of SN2 mechanism. Hello student, any problem? Of arrange the following. Hello. Now next write another type of question. Complete the following equation. Complete the following equation. Number 1, CH3Cl plus AgCN. Number 2, C2H5Br plus KOH alcoholic. Number 3, CH3CH double bond CH2 plus NBS. Number 4, CH3CO CH3 plus I2 plus NaOH. Number 5, CHCl3 plus HNO3 concentrated. Number 6, C6H5Cl plus chlorobenzene plus Cu2CN whole 2 cube plus cyanide. Number 7. Cl, NO2, 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 water. And number 8. CaCl3 plus silver powder. Heat. Complete the following reaction. All of you. First write the question. All of you write the question. What will be first answer? Alkyl halide reacts with silver cyanide. Here you must remember that alkyl halide when reacts with potassium cyanide, then alkyl cyanide will be the major product. But when reacts with silver cyanide, then alkyl isocyanide will be the major product, not cyanide. So product is CH3NC. CH3NC plus AgCl. Alkyl halide aqueous KOH, Br is replaced by OH. But when alcoholic KOH, then dehydrohalogenation reaction take place to form alkene C2H4 plus KBr plus water. Now propene when reacts with NBS, NBS means N-bromosuccinamide. This N-bromosuccinamide, when reacts with propene, it undergo allylic substitution reaction. Allylic substitution reaction means the allylic carbon, that is carbon-carbon double bond next carbon. This hydrogen atom attached to allylic carbon atom replaced by bromine. So product will be CH2Br, single bond CH, double bond CH2. Acetone, iodine and NaOH, iodoform reaction. The product is CHI3 plus CH3COONA plus NaI plus water. It oxidizes to sodium acetate, gives the iodoform NaI and water. When chloroform is heated with concentrated nitric acid, it forms chloropicrin, a poisonous gas used as a tear gas. Chloropicrin used as a tear gas and its formula is CNO2Cl3 plus water. Chloropicrin, CNO2Cl3, this is known as chloropicrin used in tear gas. Chlorobenzene when treated with cuprous cyanide, it forms cyanobenzene C6H5CN plus cuprous chloride. This cyanobenzene on hydrolysis in presence of acid medium give benzoic acid. C6H5CN when treated with dilute acid, it forms benzoic acid. Now this, due to presence of 3NO2 group, the reactivity of chlorine increase and it is replaced by OH to form 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. Cl is replaced by OH, 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. The electron withdrawing group present in chlorobenzene increase the reactivity towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Chloroform when heated with silver, it forms acetylene gas CH triple bond CH plus AgCl. Chloroform or iodoform when heated with silver powder, it always forms acetylene gas. Okay. Hello student, any problem for this conversion? Hello? All of you write this problem answer. Now last question, write this. An alkyl halide A, formula C4H9Br, reacts with aqueous KOH to give alcohol, to give alcohol. To give 1 degree alcohol, primary alcohol, which on oxidation give primer to 1 degree alcohol. B, which on oxidation give an acid C. C, on decarboxylation gives D, which reacts with bromine to form an alkyl halide E. Identify A, B, C, D, E. Identify A, B, C, D, E. What is the alkyl halide A? C4H9Br. Reacts with KOH to give primary alcohol. This is very important. Primary alcohol. So primary alcohol 4 carbon. What will be the formula? This will be formula CH3, CH2, CH2, OH, primary alcohol. So this will be B. It is obtained by aqueous KOH from alkyl halide. So what will be alkyl halide? CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 Br. So that will be a 1-bromobutane. This is alkyl halide. The carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4. Hydrogen 6 plus 3, 9 are Br. So 1-bromobutane reacts with aqueous KOH to form 1-butanol. B. B on oxidation, it gives acetic acid, an acid C. What will be acid? Butanoic acid. So this will be C, butanoic acid. C on decarboxylation. Decarboxylation means soda, lime and heat. So this is eliminated. It form 3 carbon alkane. That give propane CH3, CH2, CH3, D. This is a propane. So A is 1-bromobutane, B is butan 1-ol. B on oxidation give acid. So C is butanoic acid. C, when heated with soda lime, then decarboxylation take place. So this CO2 is eliminated. So what will be remaining alkyl part? CH3, CH2, CH3. That is D. D is an alkane. Now D, which reacts with bromine. So D, what is the D? CH3, CH2, CH3. It reacts with bromine. Bromine, you know, when alkane undergoes substitution reaction, the free radical mechanism. So secondary hydrogen replace to form alkyl halide CH3, CHBr, CH3. This is E, 2-bromopropane. So E is 2-bromopropane, not 1-bromopropane, because secondary hydrogen can easily be substituted than primary hydrogen, because secondary free radical is more stable than primary free radical. So A is 1-bromopropane, 1-bromobutane, B is butan 1-ol, C is butanoic acid, D is propane, and E is 2-bromopropane. Understood? Hello student? Hello? So this type of question for CBSE board exam you must practice. In the next class, another chapter, alcohol, phenol and ether, ठीक है, some question will be given on alcohol, phenol and ether. Okay.